Hey guys, thank you for tuning into my video. This video is about my eyebrows that I get questioned on every day of my life. So I'm just going to fill them in here. I'm just filling in the outer of my eyebrows, and I'm just drawing a few lines in the middle. This technique is really good because it's easier to smooth out the edges with these lines, and they look like fake hairs kinda, if you get what I mean. So using a spoolie brush like this one, it allows the penciling to be a lot smoother, and so that it can look like actual hairs and not just matted up pencil, if you get what I'm saying. Make sure you're smoothing out all of this penciling. I'm going to take my LA Pro Girl in the color Fawn and my Knick Knack angle brush. I'm going to use some of this concealer and outline these brows. And here I'm just drawing an outline, and I just got attacked by my freaking angle brush. Like, what the hell? But yeah, so I'm just taking that concealer and I'm sharpening out my eyebrows. I'm going around getting that desired arch that I want and also smoothing it out. Make sure that you're really pressing down on the eyebrow with the concealer so you can get that desired arch. My eyebrows is always on fleek and it always looks so neat. Like, people are always questioning me, and I tell them I'm gonna try my hardest to do a video, and I can send them to watch this video and maybe it can help someone, you know? As you can see, it's looking very even, and that's what you want. You want even eyebrows. I like to do like a unibrow. Here I'm just creating like a little unibrow, but I'm also doing that desired arch at the top. And this angle brush is really sturdy, I must say. Every time I use a concealer, I also clean it up so that I can remove any unwanted pencil liner. I like to make these silly little faces because I need to see exactly how my eyebrows look, and I don't want it to look crazy and uneven. I'm using this fluffy brush here by Wet Wow. I got it from Dollar Tree, just to clean up the concealer and to clean up that unibrow. Just be very careful to not take off the pencil from your brows. With a circle motion, I like to hit the middle of my eyebrows and like use the angle brush to create little spacings so it can look like hair. Well, this demonstration, you guys, I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. Use more concealer if needed, you know. Make sure you use that fluffy brush just to clean it up and make it look really neat. That's how my eyebrows came out, and I hope this was very entertaining and fun, and you know, you learned a little something. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment, and share so you can help someone. Love you.